Welcome, sir.
Thank you, my brothers.
Could you please introduce yourself and give us a brief overview of your background in the tech field?
Okay, right. Hi. Yeah, so my name is Seth Kwashi, a software engineer, and basically I've been working with Tentable Ghana, which is a software agency here in Ghana, and mostly I've been writing Python code for about 2 years now, and essentially that's been my stack, right? Yeah.
That's impressive. Can you share with us an experience that motivated you to pursue a career in tech?
So this is how my career started. As I was a child, I loved playing video games a lot, right? And I had the desire or the dream to one day be able to create my own game for and share it to the world. And essentially, I wasn't exposed to programming until I entered to the university, which is Koforia Technical University, right? Yeah. So that's where my journey started. We started, I think the first year we started with C++. So since I was eager to actually learn what programming is, and that was my first time knowing that there is a programming language, right? So I took that particular course seriously. I was always on time for lectures, and essentially, yeah, I did a great job in the C++ class.
Okay, going back to your childhood.
What I did said was I'll be able to create my own game and share it to the world for them to play.
Has that been the net?
I've been creating some mini games, but it's not like full or dev complete games. I'm the one playing the this myself.
So should we look forward to seeing the game?
Yeah.
Since you want to share it with the world.
Yeah.
That's fascinating. As you progressed in the tech journey, what were some of the biggest challenges you encountered, and how did you overcome them?
Okay. Essentially, most of the days, though I had some teachers in the university, most of the days are self-taught. Basically, you know how the university teaches. They just give you a brush of some of the topics. And what I personally do is I go online, go to the school's, library or cafe, and download books. And way back in school, I didn't have like a PC. I used to program on Infinix Note 2. That was the phone I was programming with. I did my Java. There was like an app on Play Store, I've forgotten the name, which I used to write my Java code and HTML, CSS, same on that phone. So basically, it was really challenging. It was really tough, actually. Programming on a phone.
Okay, that's tough. So you did mention about being self-taught. Along your tech journey, have there been any mentors or influencers who have played a significant role in shaping your career?
Okay, I had a mentor after we did this program in school, which is Global Code, but I wasn't often communicating with him, right? But once in a while, I go, like, way back in school, I was doing like Java. Java was really my stack. I was doing a lot of GUI stuff, and even doing people's final year projects for them, right? So if I have like a challenge in Java, I don't understand anything, I just reach out to him, and he actually he gives me support. Yeah.
That's wonderful to hear. Now, as you reflect on your tech journey, what advice would you give to aspiring individuals who are just starting their own tech journeys?
Okay, so the thing is, I'll say that consistency is the key, right? And really, me, from my perspective, you have to have the passion. If you don't have the passion and not being motivated, I mean, find something that really motivates you. You get it? And follow that thing. Because if you are not motivated, you actually stop programming. I introduced programming to my senior brother, and he was like, he was getting it, but he didn't have the motivation, because at that time he has completed university and he too was in search of job, and all those things were actually a problem for him. So he was learning like JavaScript, the web stuff. He even showed me within some few months, he showed me a project that he was able to build like a Facebook clone, which was actually good, but I didn't have the motivation, so he stopped. So from my own perspective, I'll say find something that motivates you and focus on that thing. Always be consistent and always be learning, because software is about learning. Always finding like solutions to daily problems. Yeah.
Consistency is key. Can you please put out your social media handles?
So on LinkedIn is Seth Kwashi, and on Twitter is at Seth Kwashi1. Yeah.
Thank you for joining us today.
Thank you too.